Alright, so we've got these guys done. I think I would probably put another version of the tile here. So I could come over here and get these reference planes and just copy them over. I guess that would be 200 feet, right? And then I could edit this family and just pull out the tile that I was using and place it here so you could see what the unique tile was, right? And then if you also wanted to, you could put a copy of the cell out there as well. So you could copy these over, I don't know, 15 feet. I can't remember what I was copying. And then if you wanted to show the original tile, you could do that as well, right? So if I come over here and get that and get that and get that and get that. So there's the original tile that was used. Although I didn't get it in a orientation that's, well, I guess I did. It doesn't matter. It's in all four orientations. So you can do that as well. And once you get that done, you can duplicate this view again. And this is scope box 3, or it looks like scope box 4. So I'm going to come over here and set that scope box to 4. And you can come in here, and if you don't want these, the reference planes won't print, but you can get rid of them if you want to, just to have a cleaner look. Alright, and then you can come, and if you want to get rid of the mass in the background, you can go to VV, so V twice, and remove the check from masses. Alright, and click OK. And now that's not there. And so now we can go to our sheet and place that on the sheet as well. Oh, it's not the correct scale, so I need to change it. Right, so I'll change that to 1 to 10, which is what I've been using. You can use whatever you want. And then line it up, and you're ready to go. Now you want to print it, and so if I go to the R pull down and go to print, right, you're going to want to add the 12 by 36 to your Adobe PDF printer. If you go to properties here, it will allow you to add, and you have to use one of the custom sizes to add. I've been using this. You can see up here I have various different sizes, but if you go to one of the custom sizes, like if I go to trash, I can rename that to new size, right? And then I can say I want that to be 12 by 36 and add it and click OK. And then when I go to the setup, I can then pick that size, right? So if I scroll down, that new size is going to be there. I already had 12 by 36, but if I go to new size, it'll be there, right? And you can use that. You want to center it, zoom 100%, make sure that the reference planes are hidden, and the scope boxes are hidden. You can hide the crop boundaries so they don't show. I'll click OK. And then you can do the current window and you can preview it, and you'll get a preview of what you're going to print. If you select close, it'll kick you all the way out of the print option, but if you go to print, it'll bring you back. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel right here, and if I double click on this guy, I'm going to go in here, and if I hit hidden line, it goes to hidden line. If you're in a shaded mode, it's going to rasterize the whole sheet, right? So when I print it, these are going to be rasterized. So that's one thing to keep in mind, and we can talk about that a little bit later. All right, but if I go to print again, and let's go to setup, and if I go to, got 12 by 36, all that set up, looks good. If I go to preview, you see how it says it's going to rasterize it. That looks good. And then if I go to print and click OK, it will now print it to a PDF. Sometimes it hangs if the .pdf is still on here, so you may want to remove that if you're having problems with it hanging. Okay, so I'm just going to name this adaptive 2 and click save. Mine went through okay. Right, and so it prints that, and then you should get a version of it right here. Okay, and you can submit that.